Ever tried to send messages between your Roblox client and server, only to feel like you're passing secret notes in class? Welcome to the wonderful world of remote events, where your code basically becomes a mind reader. In the next 180 seconds, we'll set up, fire, and handle remote events like we're launching NASA rockets, minus the billions of dollars. Remote events in Roblox let the client and server communicate smoothly, so your game doesn't feel like a broken Zoom call. Step 1. Create a remote event. In Studio, open the Explorer, right-click Replicated Storage, then click Insert Object, and choose Remote Event. Name that remote event something epic like Launch Nukes. Actually, maybe don't. Name it something friendly like On Button Clicked to keep it professional. Step 2. Fire it from your client. Let's say you've got a simple GUI button. In a local script, you'll say, Remote Event Fire Server when the button is clicked. That's like your phone sending a text message. Except nobody leaves you on red, hopefully. Step 3. Handle it on the server side. In a script under Server Script Service, listen for the event with Remote Event on Server Event. Boom! Now your server knows exactly what the client said. It's like a magical telepathy line, minus the tinfoil hats. Want to go the other way around? Sure. The server can talk back to the client by firing a remote event with Fire Client or Fire All Clients. This is perfect for awarding points, spawning items, or just letting everyone know the pizza party has started. Always remember, keep critical logic on the server. That's your fortress of solitude. The client is more like a friendly messenger who might sometimes lie. Remote events are how you avoid messy, hackable local logic. Don't give the client keys to the kingdom, just let them knock on the door. Using them is easy. 1. Insert a remote event in replicated storage. 2. Fire from local script. 3. Handle on the server. 4. Fire back if needed. Congratulations. You've unlocked cross-script communication. That's basically how you go from local wizard to unstoppable network overlord. Now, go forth and connect your client and server scripts with style, like bridging 2 islands of code with a giant neon highway. And that's remote events, jam-packed into 180 seconds, more or less. If you found this helpful, remember to mash that like button like a spawn camper in Phantom Forces. Subscribe for more rapid-fire Roblox tutorials, and maybe we'll all learn how to communicate better, both in-game and IRL.